Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at the Star Wars limited edition of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. May the force be with you. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the limited edition Star Wars Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I was unsure if I really wanted to do an unboxing of it because I just wanted to use it and just get it going, but I have been using the phone for a few days now. I did pick it up from the Samsung store. I got about $200 off, so I paid about $1,200 out the door at the Samsung Experience store, I think it's called, but right now it's showing out of stock on the website, so I'm not sure will it come back, but they do have another one that's the 10th anniversary one, but this one just seems way more cooler. But with the other one, you do get the Samsung Galaxy watch, the Active 2 watch, which is a pretty good watch. But here's the actual casing itself, if you guys are curious, if you guys haven't seen 100 million unboxings, and if you guys haven't watched The Mandalorian. Star Wars is definitely popular right now, and the actual movie, The Rise of the Skywalker, is showing in a few days, so you could definitely get the whole experience from this. So here's the actual box itself. You do have a couple of things that's here in the back. It says Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, S Pen, wall charger, USB connector, stereo headset, Galaxy Buds. Bring it a little closer so you guys can read it with me. Galaxy Note 10 Plus leather cover, metal badge, quick start guide, terms and conditions. So let's just pop this baby open to see what it looks like. So it does have a special packaging here. So let's do it the right way. Alright, so you can see from the actual helmet from Kylo Ren, and it does have it cracked up because if you guys remember in the last Star Wars movie, he got mad and he broke his helmet, but as you guys can see, he put it back together, and it does have that nice little red little accent color here, and it says I'll show you the dark side. So here's the actual case itself right here, Star Wars Rise of Skywalker. So Luke Skywalker should be coming back next one, or maybe there will be a new one. So here is the leather case that I have been using. Now it's a little bit flimsy, I'm not gonna lie, and on the inside you do have the first order logo right over here, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, made in China, and it does have that nice little suede material as well. And you do get this little badge here. I'm not quite sure what should I do with this. Maybe I'll sell it, but it is pretty cool to have your little badge with the Kylo Ren helmet. Star Wars, The Rise of Skywalker, which is pretty cool. So that is the top layer. Now you do have a bottom layer here, so you just have to poke this part down, and it has like a sliding compartment, just like sneakers. So you do have your Galaxy Buds right over here. Now I haven't used these yet, but they look pretty cool. I did actually pop it open. So the big difference about this one is that it does have a red casing instead of all black like the ones that I had before. But it would have been cool to have some type of red accents on here, but it's basically the same Galaxy Buds that you get with the black model, but it's the same thing, but you do get this nice little cool casing as well. Put that back inside. Alright, and the actual phone itself, this thing is pretty cool. Now you do have the Star Wars theme on this, so you will see a lot of red and black accents. So I close that up just like so. Let's put this in the background. Alright, so here's the phone itself. Pop this baby open, see what it looks like, and just for dramatic effect, I turn the phone off and I put it back inside. Alright, so here's the phone itself. It does have that same aura black, but one of the big key differences is that it does have that red accent around the camera module, and also you do have your first order logo right there, Samsung and Star Wars right there on the bottom, which makes this thing pretty epic. And the red and black accents all around. You got it on the Bixby button and on the volume up and down. Pretty dope. And another cool thing is that it has a red S Pen. just like so. So also I seen in a video that a person asked, does it write in red when you first take it out? And it doesn't, but you are able to change that. Now here's the background that I've been using, just like so. See if I start it up just a bit for you guys. Alright, so let me show you some key things that it does come with. You do have the typical Samsung icons. They do change a couple of the Samsung icons, so they changed a few of these things here that make it look like it's like a special edition. So the dialer, the messages, the camera basically looks like that, and a few other things. Now when you take out your S Pen, big shout out to Easy Computer Solutions, it does actually make a cool lightsaber sound, which is pretty dope. You hear that? And it does have a few other things that it does actually make effects for. And also, when you close this up, when you power it off, check out what happens into the Galaxy. So as far as the phone itself, that's everything when it comes to that. And you get your typical charger, and you have your 8kg wired headphones. Basically the same thing, nothing really special about that. But that's about it for the unboxing. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. I've definitely been enjoying it. It's pretty cool. I'm loving the case, by the way. So if you want to see how it is with the case, I could show you guys real quick. I have been using that, but for protection, I probably wouldn't use that case. But it definitely looks cool. And this is a fingerprint magnet, so I definitely recommend having a case. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Star Wars Edition Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. May the Force be with you. Peace.